Victims, survivors, and families have a lot of questions when they are entered into the Hennepin County court system. The Division of Victim Witness Services is here to assist. The areas of responsibility for the Division of Victim Witness Services are adult prosecution, youth prosecution, community prosecution, and also the Domestic Abuse Service Center, which is located on the lower level of the government center. We recognize that as a victim of crime, this is just the beginning of your journey through the legal process, and we hope to assist you in any way that we can. We have bilingual staff who can provide language services in 10 different languages, helping them file for reimbursement, helping them do the paperwork for restitution, and being kept informed of the progression of their case and also their rights as crime victims in the state of Minnesota. The division also assists with the certification of U and T visas, giving referrals to community-based organizations that may be able to give much more expansive services. We want to be as supportive as possible to connect you with the resources that may be available to help you on your healing journey.